Good morning, y'all. Yep. Today's August 22, and today's a special day. My wife's birthday. So we're about to go have some breakfast and celebrate her birthday today. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Today, where you want to do today and where you want to go?
Anywhere.
Anywhere?
Yes.
Just anywhere?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat breakfast today. So come with us and say happy birthday to my wife, all our followers and subscribers.
Thank you guys.
The restaurant that we're gonna eat breakfast for my wife's birthday. Yeah. Here's the menu. We're in now. Nice. That's the breakfast menu. That's their menu. Happy birthday, hon. There you go. That's our breakfast. That's birthday. That's a birthday girl's food for breakfast. What do you have, hon? Wow. Thank you. What do you have, baby?
I have tri-tip Wellington and Benedict with country potatoes.
Wow. This is what I have. I have a regular pancake, country fried steak with eggs and with the salad. Yes. Happy birthday, hon. Oh, I couldn't finish my food. I'm full already. And look, the birthday girl. She finished her breakfast. Good job. Really good. Baby almost finished his food too. For me, I know. She didn't touch her pancake. But for me, I'm done. That's it for me.
Must be
Count on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, Panchita. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you, guys. Thank you. Blow your candle.
picture of me.
Say hi, hon.
Hi.
Where we at for your birthday dinner?
Texas Roadhouse, my favorite place.
Hey. Yeah. Texas Roadhouse for the birthday girl dinner.
Anything you want, I know go give it. Your love, they make my head gyrate. Me and you together, that now our fate. I promise you my love is true, sincere. Nobody can do me the way you do. Oh girl, you got this special touch. Inside my heart, you mean so.
Hi guys, welcome in. Hi guys.
pick a steak home for dinner?
Which one do you think is the best? I like how you knew. I was like, wait a minute. Sorry. That looks so we're just waiting for my nut to get it and then getting this one
Yeah, that's it for our video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching. Yeah. What you want to say?
Thank you. First, I just want to thank everyone for all the birthday wishes, all the kind words, and the love. I appreciate all of you, and especially thank you, hon and baby, for today. I feel like I'm so spoiled today. As you can see, I'm super full. I enjoyed my day today, so thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, guys. God bless. Go to church. Okay, don't forget, go to church.